Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are feeling chirpy. Today I'll be making some dragon stout ice cream, and here are our ingredients: a nice cold dragon stout, some condensed milk, evaporated milk, and double cream or whipping cream depending on where you are. So here I'm pouring out some of the dragon stout. Now fam, guess what? All of these, they are cold. So I had the stout in the fridge, right? From overnight actually. And here now I'm adding half cup of evaporated milk. This is cold as well. And then I'm gonna add some condensed milk, and this is cold too. Yes, so just so let's start out with, say, half of the condensed milk, or a little more than half, right? And then you decide later down if you want more in there. So now we're going to combine all of this. We're going to try to mix out that condensed milk. And Vibes Sam, I'm telling you, this thing right here can be a little work, because you want to know why. You will be there stirring, and you're stirring and you say, yeah, I'm me, I'm cute. And when you look, the condensed milk just get up at the bottom of the container same way, at the measuring cup same way. So make sure as you mix and you get a little, yeah, you look down the bottom and make sure, say, it not congregating down there, right? So yeah, as you can see right here, all of the ingredients that are put together, it did turn out to be what? 1 pint. P-I-N-T, pint. You make a pint? What are you saying? Come on, get to the pint. So so yeah, Vibes up. Just try and mix it out and get all of your milk and everything. So yes, put in that work so you can really enjoy this thing and don't waste anything. So here I'm adding 2 cups of double cream. This is cold, of course. This is cold. This has to be cold. And or depending on where you are, it is whipping cream, right? So double cream, whipping cream, same thing. So here I'm just blending, or well, using my hand mixer to try to get this thing to be of a stiff consistency. So Vibe Sam, let's start to work. I'm gonna put in that work, man. Let's work. Let's use that wrist. Use that wrist. Why? So guess what, Vibes Fam? If you do not have a hand mixer, you can use your whisker, right? You know that whisk there, that little hand whisk there, you can use that. So here, Vibes Fam, look at it. You can see that the texture is changing. The consistency of it is changing, right? It is getting thicker, creamier, and looking so good. Now, Vibes Fam, guess what? This ice cream right here is one of my all-time. It is really my favorite ice cream, to be honest. I remember growing up on some Sundays and stuff when you know, my parents would take us to Devon House. Oh yes, this is what I would order. I order my Devon Stout ice cream, which is really dragon stout. A Devon Stout or Dragon Stout it name. Anyway, stout. So this is the one I would order. And Vibes Sam, I am telling you, so good. So trust me, when I made it and I was like, oh, it is, yes. And trust me, me a Dragon Stout connoisseur. The amount when me eat. So yeah, Vibes Sam, I'm showing you all of this. I don't cut out any of this part because I want for you guys to know that you are at the right place when you're trying to get this to the right consistency, because trust me, it takes some time. It takes a little while. So here it is now. It is there. This is at a good place, but we need to get it to a better place, right? So we're gonna blend some more. So yeah, so you need it to have, you notice that stiff peak right there when I put the mixer down in there and lift it up, it form a little peak. Yes, you need for it to have many of those stiffer peaks. So yeah, just try and get it to there, and as long as it gather it together and it's firmer, then you are there, like this right here, right? I'm just trying to get the edges to do the same. So yes, Vibe Sam, look at this. You know, see a beer stiffness. Yes, beer stiffness and peaky I take place. So here I'm adding the mixture, right? The condensed milk, evaporated milk, and jug and stout mixture. So you want to add this thing gradually, right? You don't just want to pour everything in there and dead down this stiffness of the double cream. No, take your time and just add, mix. By the way, you don't have to use the hand mixer right here. You can still continue with your whisk and just, take your time, add, mix. But yeah, just take your time and add and go on. And look at it, look how it is looking, so nice. It is coming together, looking all creamy and so good. So Vibe Sam, because we want it to stay, because of what we are working with the peak and all of that, and we want it, that is why we use the ingredients cold. But I guess if you don't have them cold, that is fine too. But yeah, it's better if you use them cold. So I just added the rest of the stout, and here I'm adding about half teaspoon of nutmeg and the same one teaspoon of vanilla, and then just give that a little mix to combine it all. And Vibe Sam, taste, like right here. So now you taste and make sure everything good. See if you want more stout or if you want more what it's called, condensed milk. Vibe Sam, look at this texture, that looks so good, so good. And now I'm going to pour it into my little bread tin. Look at it. And then we're gonna put it in the fridge. Well, cover it. I'm gonna cover mine with some grease paper, but if you have a container with cover, you can use that too as well. And here it is. Now I put it in the freezer for about 7 hours. This is about 7 hours. And let's scoop to the scoop. Let's scoop up. Ooh, scoop. And a slide. And a scoop. And let's put it in our bowl. Yes, release it. Ooh. And let's do another scoop and a scoop and a slide and a scoop and put it in our bowl. And then we're gonna do another scoop and a slide and a slide and a slide, and then we're gonna drop it in the bowl. Yes, ice cream lady. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. My favorite ice cream, a nice dragon stout ice cream. Vibes Fam, I am telling you, this is so good. Nice, bad, nice, good, nice. Listen, it is good. It is so good. Please try the recipe. And hi, my new subscribers. And those of you who are watching for the first time, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys. YouTube will not notify you if you don't do that. God bless you.